welcome to the new series video on profit loss chapter from class 7 additional mathematics, and here I am going to solve question number 14. Jyotsna bought 400 eggs at 8 rupees 40 paise a dozen. Per dozen the cost price of egg. Per dozen eggs the cost price is 8 rupees 40 paise. So for cost price, look here, cost price for one dozen means there will be 12 eggs is 8 rupees 40 paise. This is 8 rupees 40 paise. Then at what price per 100 must she sell them so as to earn a profit of 15%? Look here, Jyotsna wants to make a profit of 15% after selling these eggs, these 100 eggs. At what price per 100? The selling price, you have to find out the selling price per 100 so that she gains a profit of 15%. Question is clear. I mentioned that you have to find out the selling price of 100 eggs. At what price per 100 must she sell them so as to earn a profit of 15%? Look here, she brought 400 eggs, but you have to count the selling price for 100 so that he earns a profit of 15% after selling 100 eggs. So first find out the cost price of 100 eggs so that it will be easy to count the selling price of 100 eggs. So here, look here, there are 12 eggs in a dozen, and one dozen costs this girl Jyotsna 8 rupees 40 paise. So for one egg the cost price will be, this is 0.70 paise. This is 70 paise. The cost price of one egg is 70 paise. So for 100 egg, this is 0.70 into 100, which is equal to 70 rupees. This is 70 rupees. So for 100 egg, the cost price is 70 rupees. This is the cost price. Look here, how could you find out? Mention that here in the questions that one dozen egg cost the girl 8 rupees 40 paise. So for one egg, the cost price will be 0.70 paise, which is equal to 70 paise. And for 100 egg, here questions was to find out the selling price for 100. So that's why here I find out first the cost price per 100 eggs. The cost price for 100 eggs. If you have a questions in mind, how do I find out the cost price of the 100 eggs first? Because questions is to find out the selling price of 100 eggs, not for the total eggs, 400 eggs. You have to find out the selling price for 100 eggs. So here first I find out the cost price of 100 eggs, which is equal to 70 rupees. And now Jyotsna wants to make a profit of 15% on this selling price, on this cost price after selling this product. So the profit will be CP into profit percentage. So this is CP. 70 into profit percentage, this is 15 by 100, which is equal to 0 cancel by 5, this is 3, 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.50 paise. This is 10 rupees 50 paise. So the profit amount is 10 rupees 50 paise. So the selling price will be 70 rupees is the cost price, and the profit amount is 10 rupees 50 paise, which is equal to 80 rupees 50 paise. So your answer is 8 rupees 50 paise. Again I explain it. Look here, one dozen eggs means it has 12 eggs, which costs the girl 8 rupees 40 paise. So for one egg the cost price will be 70 paise. Here clearly mentioned that in the question to find out the selling price per 100 eggs to find a profit of 15%. So here it is very easy. It will be very easy at the time of solving when you find out the cost price of 100 eggs. So you can easily compare the cost price and selling price. Whenever the amount of product is different. You can't compare the selling price and the cost price. So you have to make equal amount of product at the time of costing, at the time of selling. So here the cost price will be count on 100x, and you have to find out the selling price on the same amount of product, means 100x. So first I have to find out the cost price of 100x, and the cost price of 100x is 70 rupees. And just now want to make a profit of 15%. So profit amount will be 15% of the cost price, 15% of the cost price. So the amount is 10 rupees 50 paise, and the selling price will be cost price plus profit. This is the cost price, this is the profit, and 80 rupees 50 paise is the selling price per 100x. This is per 100x. This is the selling price 80 rupees 50 paise for 100x, not for the total x. Be careful for the amount of product. Here clearly mentioned the product, the selling price of 100x means the product number is 100x. The product amount is fixed at the time of costing, at the time of selling. You should maintain the equal amount of the product, 100 cost price of 100x and the selling price of 100x. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.